continue, we're going to see an abundance and an overflow of a manifestation of his blessings. God said every prophetic word that we have received is going to come to pass. He said if we continue to trust and obey him, we're going to see an increase. He said our eyes have not seen, neither have our ears heard, nor enter into our heart all that he has had in store for us. God said increase. And we're going to walk in, we're going to flow